Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the Nano Banana for the graphic design. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you need to do is you can search for the Nano Banana AI over here. And here I am accessing it with my PC to get more spacious view. And if you find or search for the Nano Banana in the Google, you'll find a lot of tool that also contains or provides you to generate the image or create the image or do the graphic design using the Nano Banana. And for example, there is the nanobananas.ai and also imagine.art and also the Lovart over here and also the nanobanana.ai and also the Gemini itself will also provide you to create the image or do the graphic design using the Nano Banana model. And if you would like to try it for free, here I will suggest you to try it from this Google AI Studio. Like this is the opening when you right after clicking this Google AI Studio, and you can start to get started. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this will be the home page of this Google AI Studio. And you will see down here you can try the Nano Banana, and you can simply click this, and you can also create the photo editing by upload the picture from the drive or the Google Drive and also the file that you have saved inside your device. Or you can also take a photo of you and also from the sample media. However, if you don't have any photo references before, don't worry, because you can also make it from scratch or make the picture from the prompt. For example, like this, you can put the prompt very detailed, and also don't forget to put the prompt such as the object that you would like to present and also the angle, the lighting, and also additional accessories or additional details. For example, the cloth or maybe the outfit, and also the situation, maybe during the raining season or during the sunny season or during the winter. And also you can add the situation or the atmosphere like bright or maybe joyful like this. And also to make it more perfect and also more detailed, you can add the details like the soft golden hour lighting and also the gentle clouds, realistic warm tone, cinematic composition, and highly detailed environment. And you can also put the detail like what the picture would like. It's kind of the realistic photo or maybe the cartoon, and if this cartoon, what the style would be. For example, maybe the style is kind of the Simpson or the SpongeBob or the Pixar or maybe the Ghibli. You can put the request into this prompt and you can play your imagination with it. And after that, after you put the prompt, usually the run button will get yellow like this, and you can simply give it the combination of Control and Enter, or you can also simply click it with your mouse and kindly wait for the result over here. So usually if you would like to use this Nano Banana in Google AI Studio, the time to take to generate will be 10 seconds and also 12 seconds, or even can be 1 minute, because it also depends on the complexity of your prompt, guys. And after waiting for 12 seconds in this case, So you will have the picture like this, and you can simply zoom in to see the detail. And for example, I would like to change the aspect ratio over here to become 16 and 9. And I will put the same prompt, or copy the same prompt and paste it over here. And kindly wait for the result. So this will be the setting that you can use to change the ratio. And after waiting for almost 15 seconds, this picture can be transformed and produced into this ratio, and this is the another or the different picture. As you can see, after using the same prompt, you can also have the different photo. However, you can also rerun or get the different picture by clicking this rerun this turn or in this section. For example, I will try it like this, and kindly wait for the different result down here. And if you have any requests or maybe suggestion about the another AI that also provides you to create the image using the Nano Banana model, you can also inform us or let us know on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there and making the video in different version. So this will be the different picture after rerun the prompt, and still the same or still beautiful and also very detailed and super cute. So if you like this photo, then you can start to download it, and it will be officially downloaded and saved into your device. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this Nano Banana into your device. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.